Biggest manatee I've ever seen. It's a Megladon. It's a Megladon manatee. Megladon manatee. Look how big this thing is. Massive. We kept a safe distance. Oh, dude. Yeah. Man, massive, majestic creature. It's chomping down. That's him in all his glory. There she goes. This is gonna be the last of her. And we gotta get going. I'm trying to one hand paddle and be safe and not touch the manatee and film, and it's crazy. Look at that tail on that thing, man. It's just amazing. Absolutely incredible. Got both cameras going and a paddle. That's how I do it. Alright, stay tuned. That was amazing. Thank you for letting us film you. You're amazing.